Hi everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Today I want to show you what I'm working on for my centerpiece. So let me show you the inspiration picture first. This is the inspiration picture, and it is a centerpiece that Cass from Clutterbug made on her YouTube channel. So if you could see, it's on a wood sign that she used, and she used various bottle brush trees and some picks, and she sprayed the snow, canned snow, around the bottom. So what I have here is various bottle brush trees, and I have this sign that I had from last year. It doesn't have an edging on it like hers does. So what I thought I would do is flip it over, and I'm going to glue on these little Jenga blocks all the way around to make an edge with some wood glue. So if you guys want to make this sign, you would need a sign, or you could use a tray, and various colors and sizes of the bottle brush trees, some spray snow, and I bought some of these picks that I'm going to put around the edges and the front and the sides and the back to add in the different spaces like she did. So I'm going to be working on this because if you guys watch my videos, I have the pine tree plates that I got off of, where did I get them? I got them at Goodwill, but I think they're actually from Hobby Lobby. So I'm doing like a woodland kind of tree centerpiece table setting. And I also want to show you what else I made I thought was really neat. I bought these. I bought 2 of these. Well, I actually had 2 from last year. And I bought 2 more this year because I forgot I had them. But anyway, I wanted them to be gold. So what I did today was paint them gold. And I actually used Rub and Buff paint with a paintbrush. I don't know how well you could see it, but I think it came out really neat. I actually left the top clear, and I think it's really cool. And I made a little wreath to go around the neck with the little pine cone. So I made 2 of those. I think they're really neat looking. So I'm going to get working on this, and I will show you the results. Alright guys, so I put all the Jenga pieces around the edges. I placed all the trees in there. I think I got it the way I like it. So I'm going to glue them down. And then, let's see, and then I'm going to spray the trees in the bottom inside here with the spray snow. Alright, so now it's dark out. I'm out on the lanai, and I'm going to get the spray. Everything's glued down. I got the snow, and I'm going to spray inside and see what it looks like. Let me come around the other side. See how it looks. I didn't want to attempt this in the house. trying to get in between too, so I don't just see wood. Which a lot of that's going to be covered up anyway with some of the picks that I have, and I'm going to put that around the edges. Alright, so it looks like a forest so far. Alright, on to the last step. Alright, so I love how it looks. But now I'm wondering how long the snow is going to take to dry. So I might have a different idea. Ollie just opened the door. What do you want, Ollie? What's I want? What do you want? Alright, so my different idea is I found this bag here of all these little tiny pine cones and stuff. And I think that it would be pretty with all these little pine cones all over the ground in here to make it look like the pine cones have fallen. So I'm going to try that. Okay everyone, finally the finished product. Took me 2 days, something that looks so simple. So I ended up using the, it's like a glitter snow that I put in between. I just used a paintbrush, put all the glue in between, sprinkled the snow in there, and I put some little, I just dropped some little pine cones in there. And it's like my little forest, and I love it because it goes great with my table setting of my pine trees. I think it came out really pretty. Let me know what you guys think. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll have my home tour coming up. I think it is December 10th, and I will keep you posted. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.